Right. So I just want to go through the major roundabouts so you will understand the differences better. Okay, so you have got two pictures over here for the major roundabout. So imagine this green car is going straight, second exit, and this red car is also going straight, second exit. Now forget about everything else, they're both going straight, second exit. Are you agree with that? Now looking at this line and looking at this line, what's the difference between them two?
I'm not sure.
The major difference between them two, in this one there is no arrows painted there telling you which lane you want to go if you're not going straight, but in this one there is an arrows painted there that if you want to go straight you can choose this lane. This is better because obviously you can plan yourself early. The problem with this one is if you look over here, they put clock sign there, so you can see 6, 9, 12, 3. There is no clock over there. Why? Because this is an arrow there. So just want to quickly go through this one. How does that work? The way it works, you can see here that if you're coming from here, so imagine you are entering at 6 o'clock and you are exiting on or before 12 o'clock. If you are doing that, and because there is no signs, no arrows, you always use the left lane. Do you understand the clock method?
Yeah.
So if you are going 9 o'clock or 12 o'clock, you keep your car to the
Outside.
left lane. Yeah. If you want to go anything after 12 o'clock, you keep your car to the
Right lane.
That's it. That's the difference. A lot of people, when they start driving, they start forgetting about these things. Okay, so if I am coming from here, this side, this will be my 6 o'clock, this will be my 9 o'clock, and then 12 o'clock. So if somebody is coming from here, that will be their 6, 9. So the moral of the story is that if there is no signs, you always enter at which clock? 6 o'clock. And ahead is 12 o'clock. So for example, if this here this exit would have been here after 12 o'clock, you would have keep your car to the
Right lane.
correct. Do you understand this procedure? Any problem, any questions?
No, that's fine.
So if you look, we're going to focus on a green for a minute. This car is going which exit?
Second.
Second exit. Now I want you to look at this sign here. So you're coming from here. Can you tell me total how many exits this roundabout have by looking at this signboard?
5.
5. Well done, because we always count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and coming back as well. Good, well done. So you understand this. Any problem, any questions?
No, that's fine.
Now why? So I told you the mini roundabout, if you're going straight you don't signal, but in this one is important couple of things. So number one, when you're approaching, your speed have to be slow, usually 20 miles per hour or less. So you need to make sure you're using your brakes. That's number one. So you're approaching slowly. Do you understand that? Yeah. Number two, as you're approaching, you need to glance to your right or ahead if anybody coming from that side, correct?
Yeah.
So as you're approaching, make sure we need to do like this, look ahead, like this, look ahead. If you're gonna keep looking the right, you're missing the bigger picture ahead. Now that's number two. So you glance. Most important thing is, which people don't understand, is the position. Remember I say to you, you need to follow what the curb is dictating you. If you're going straight, would you go like this or would you follow the curb like a moon crescent?
Follow it round.
There you go. Do you understand that? So we spoke about slow speed, 20 miles or less, glancing, looking ahead. Now we talk about the positioning. So positioning, then we talk about the lane discipline, we talk about this, and after that, the last thing, once you pass this, then what you do, your MSP, mirror, signal and positioning, and then build up your speed. A lot of people, for some reason, they're thinking about, should I signal now, should I signal now? Look, when you're signaling here after the first exit, who is getting the benefit of your signal on the major roundabout? Cars coming mainly from where?
Behind and over there too.
Yes, absolutely, behind and especially over there, because if I'm coming here and let's say I want to go first exit, and if you have signal that you're going here, that allows me, if nobody else coming from there, allows me to do what? Turn. Do you understand this concept?
Yeah.
Any problems or any questions with this so far?
No, that's fine.
No. Okay, so now, so you understand the clock method now, right? So let's talk about the other one, which is quite common one. So this is a very, very easy one. This one is controlled by the lane marking. So let's recap. You give me the answers of when you're approaching, what speed we should be doing.
20 or less.
Good, that's number one. Number two, what we should be thinking about.
The cars like,
Glancing. So we're looking on here or ahead as well. Yeah. So we're looking or glancing as well. Yeah. And then what we should be start thinking about now as we're approaching, should be thinking about
speed and
what about
position.
Okay, because like here, would you want to go straight or would you want to follow the curve?
Follow the curve.
Yeah, you could say position or you could say lane discipline. Okay, and then when would you signal? Because you're going straight as second exit, when would you signal?
Here.
After that. So before we signal, what we do?
Check your mirrors and...
Which mirrors are we talking about? Center and the left one. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Good. Should we speed on the bend or should we just control, let the car roll and build up our speed from here?
Build up the speed from there.
And before we speed up, what we should do?
Check mirrors.
Check your mirrors again. Now you understand this concept as well? There's one more thing I want to explain to you and then I will going to help you out, okay? Now there's something we called on the roundabouts, any roundabouts, major or mini roundabouts, a word called blockers. Have you heard the word blockers?
No.
So imagine the red learner car is going straight. Just imagine for 1 minute. So as you're approaching, you're going to be looking at your right and ahead, isn't it? Yeah. Now obviously you have got a white car coming from your right, but also if you look this car's body behavior, look at this arrow as well. So are they going straight or they're coming towards you? What do you think? So look at the arrow there, they only can go straight. So what that means, that this car, and this car are blocking the white car coming out, because that white car should be looking at them, isn't it? So when you have got two blockers, what would you do?
Go.
You can go. So how many blockers do we need? Two blockers. If it's cars, if it's a big lorry, you can use that one lorry, or but also you need to judge on the speed, how fast they're coming. If for example this car is a learner car, just give an example, was going quite slowly, would you still wait for second blocker or would you quickly go?
Quickly go.
There you go. So do you understand about the blockers?
Yeah.
Any problem, any questions with that?
No, that's fine.
Okay, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to quickly drive you from here, we'll demonstrate you for the major roundabouts, and then we're going to have a bit more practice. Okay?
Yeah.
Any problem, any questions so far?
No, that's fine.
No. I'm going to explain to you about the major roundabout now. You're doing this first time. So this major roundabout, we are going straight on. It does not have any arrows painted. So what method are we using? Clock method. So we are going straight ahead. So we're entering at 6 o'clock. We're going straight ahead before 12 o'clock. So should I keep my car to the right or to the left? Left. So I'm approaching slowly. I glance my right and ahead, anyone coming?
No.
So I don't need to stop, and next thing I need to do, follow the curb. And I need to do moon crescent, go near to this curb. And what I should do now after the first exit?
Signal.
Mirrors and signal. And now I will check my mirrors and then gradually build up my speed and then cancel your signal. A lot of people, they rush to cancel the signal as well. You don't have to, there's no other left turning. So you check your mirrors, gradually build up your speed and then do it. You see how I do it?
Yeah.
So that roundabout, we followed the clock method because there were no lanes painted.
Yeah.
So we enter 6 o'clock and we exit before 12 o'clock, and we kept our car to the left lane. Do you understand this?
Yeah.
Now what examiners will do, examiners will say to you that I want you to follow the sign Blackburn. Okay. However, this is your independent driving, but it's also going to help you understand the roundabouts as well. So imagine we are following the sign Blackburn. So about here, I check my center on the left mirror, signal to the left. You can see the arrows telling me if you want to go to the left, you cross over the bike lane.
Yeah.
So before I do that, I must check my left mirror again. Now looking ahead, what sign telling you there? Give way. So as you're approaching, look at my right and there. So are they coming from the right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I will stop at a give way here. But while we stop here, look at the sign there. We're going towards Blackburn. So which exit we're going to be taking, you can plan yourself as well. So keep looking to the right. So those cars are coming 40 miles per hour. So I would wait for the van driver to go. And now it's safer. As we're turning left, we don't want to go too far. We're staying into the left lane here. And which exit are we taking for Blackburn? Second exit. You can also see the arrows painted on the floor. So as I'm approaching, foot on the foot brake, glancing, looking ahead, anyone open view, anyone coming?
Yeah.
But are they signaling coming to my? No. So no way signaling. This is the first exit. What I should do after the first? Mirrors and signal. Into Blackburn, which exit are we taking on next roundabout? Can you tell me? Look at the arrows in our lane.
The
second exit. Yeah, because Blackburn straight. So we're approaching slowly, looking my right, look my foot on the foot brake. Anyone coming? No one is signaling. So my next target is that island. After the first exit, what I should do now? Mirrors and indicate. Don't worry about cancelling it. Don't worry about speeding too much. Once you turn, make your tires straight. Check your mirrors, cancel your signal and build up a speed. The signboard is slightly misleading there. Just look out for the arrows on the road. So we're going straight ahead towards Blackburn. Which exit are we taking?
Second.
Look, I'm pressing more brake because we're going down the hill this time. So positioning is very important and glancing. Anyone coming towards me?
No.
Are you sure about it? Yeah, because look at that. But I have got any blockers there. Look at the blocker there. Can you see that? So I would use the benefit of the blocker. So I'm taking the second exit. Check my center and the left mirror and
indicate.
And I'm not worried about going too fast. Just controlling it. Don't worry about cancelling your signal for a minute. Now once you have make your tires straighter, check your mirrors, cancel your signal.